Looking to fit a taller tire under the back of your Gladiator? Well, the high clearance adjustable rear track bar from Clayton Off-Road can help you do just that. Now, one of the problems with putting bigger tires under your Gladiator is fitting that bigger spare under the back of your Gladiator in that stock location. Now, with a smaller 37, you can often get them to clear. But go to a larger 37 or even a 38 and you're gonna find yourself running into that track bar. And if you've moved your axle back at all, well, that'll make it even worse. Now, the Clayton Off-Road high clearance adjustable rear track bar helps fix that with this bend in it. And that bend is right where your spare tire is gonna sit, just giving you that extra little bit of clearance. Now, this is one burly track bar. It's built with an 1.3/8" outside diameter, 5/16 wall steel tubing. It features a yellow zinc long shank end, and we really like the long shanks of these ends. They screw way into the track bar, getting very positive engagement. And this track bar is large enough with enough travel in its adjustment that it'll fit from 0 to 6 inches of lift. Looking at the spare tire in this Hydro Blue Gladiator, you'll see that we have under a finger's worth of clearance between the spare tire and the track bar. And that will limit us from going any bigger or moving the axle any further back. The Clayton Off-Road track bar will give us a little more clearance, and that's going to give us a little more peace of mind. Now, for installation, first we got to get the old parts out. So start by removing your original track bar. Now, once you have the nuts off, if you have a problem getting the bolts out, have someone up above push the back end of your JT left and right, just a little bit. That should free up the bolt to allow it to slide out. Now, with our factory track bar out, we want to measure it. We're going to go eye to eye, so you can go just from one edge of the bushing to the opposite side of the bushings. And I'm showing 33 3/4. Now, if we go up here to our Clayton arm, and I'm, about a 1/2 inch over. So that means we're gonna bury this in quite a bit. So I'm gonna back this nut off and throw some blue Loctite down where this nut's gonna sit. Now I can screw this end in. And just maybe one more twist. And there we go, 33 3/4. So we'll just run that nut down against it, and let's put this in the Gladiator. Now, with that installed, let's take a closer look at how much clearance we gained. Now, if you remember, on the factory track bar, I could barely get my finger between the track bar and the tire. Now, with the Clayton Off-Road high clearance adjustable rear track bar, I can get my whole hand between the two. I have lots of room in there. I think we could even get a large 37, maybe even a small 38 in there, although we may run into problems elsewhere under the vehicle. So are you ready for a better track bar for your Gladiator? Well, if so, hit that link down in the description box below and get a Clayton Off-Road high clearance adjustable track bar on its way to you. And then check out the link for the rest of the Clayton Off-Road products here at Northridge 4x4. And then thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.